Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a case study for how this one construction business in Calgary, Alberta grew from $60,000 a month to $600,000 a month, leveraging social media, personal branding, AI, and Go high level software. Alright, let's get into this case study. So this client was a construction renovation company based in Calgary, Alberta. They scaled the revenue from $60K per month to $600K per month using AI tools, organic content strategies. Platforms, they focus on Instagram and TikTok and Facebook for organic growth. Here's the key strategies that they used. So they created content with AI tools. So what they did is they got raw footage of their job sites, of their construction stuff. They got really good editors, and they used 11 Labs AI to do voiceovers and create them viral, engaging videos. They created 5 to 10 different content verticals focused on education, pricing transparency too. So what they did is they were open about their prices of their services so they could build trust with their audience so they would spend more money on them. And they showcased their work on different job sites and different job sites that they were working on. And they created 5 to 10 different content verticals and ideas that were working for them, and they kept on doing that over and over and over again and posted 1 video per day. So they're doing daily posting schedule to build authority in the niche. The second thing they did was build a personal brand. They went from zero personal brand, already doing $60K per month, to having a personal brand. So they focused on developing trust through transparent content. They highlighted renovation costs and processes to educate their leads before even signing up for renovations with them. They also used ChatGPT to script their video ideas and come up with viral ideas for it. So they used AI to create the ideas and then execute the ideas. Does that make sense? Okay, next. They used a Go high level CRM, or they could use a CRM like my own called luxmde.com, or it's called app.luxmde.com. It's my own software company where we do the same thing as Go high level, the exact same thing. We actually white label it from Go high level and sell it as our own software. So what they did is when they had the new leads, they had automatic follow-up system with an 8 email sequence to warm up the leads and make the leads qualified and come in and buy things from them. They improved the lead conversion rates by nurturing contacts until opt-in. So they kept on nurturing the leads with email marketing, text message marketing until they actually signed up and came and bought. So trust and conversions. They built organic trust to reduce ad costs and increase conversion rates. So at the same time, they were running paid advertising funnels, a lot of paid ads. I think they were running like $30,000 per month in paid ads, but making back $600K per month from their paid ads. And the reason why their paid ads performed so good is because they had an organic content funnel. So organic content lowered the cost of paid ads by increasing trust. Okay, challenges solved. So high ad cost and low ROI without organic trust. Poor lead follow-up and missed opportunities. Leads hesitant to engage without prior trust or recognition. Okay, let me explain this to you. High ad cost because they had no personal brand before, and they were trying to get people to buy from people they don't even know. So they built the advertising, they built a personal brand so that people would buy from them from their paid ads. And then the leads were hesitant even after they signed up, so they had an 8 email sequence to get the leads to sign up and buy from them. Okay, here are the AI tools they used in this process. So they used 11 Labs AI. This is an AI that allows you to clone your voice and create content using your voice. So they can add the voice to CapCut, add the captions with random overlays and general clips they have. And sometimes even you can use HeyGen AI. In this case, these guys used half HeyGen AI and half real clips. So they could generate a 2-minute video if you're talking like this, and I could fake it like I'm talking, and they get an AI clone of you talking, okay? So that's basically what it does. It like clones yourself and makes like a model of yourself that can say anything you want along this terms of service. And that's what they did. It's a pretty awesome software. I use it for my own content sometimes. And the last thing they did is use Go high level, and they started running email sequences to improve their lead quality and make sure the leads were actually signing up and buying from them. And they use their conversion tracking metrics to increase the conversion rate by staying connected with the leads, and they started messaging them very good. Yeah, this is just a case study on how this company went from $60K per month to $600,000 per month by using AI tools. AI is the future. AI is the way to grow. Social media is the way to grow, and social media is the way of growing your brand in 2025 and the future. If you want to stand out in 2025 and you're a business owner watching this video and you're kind of interested in how these services work, hit me up, and I would love to try to implement this exact same system from this business into your system, and I guarantee you we can make you some more money. Thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe.